Welcome back to the channel. If you love speed, luxury, and outrageous design, today's review is going to blow your mind. This is the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome, a rolling masterpiece that takes Ferrari's racing DNA and turns it into the most exotic motorhome ever imagined. This isn't just a place to travel, it's a statement on wheels. Starting with the exterior, this motorhome looks like it escaped straight from a Formula One paddock. The low-slung, aerodynamic profile is wrapped in iconic Ferrari Rosso Corsa paint, paired with aggressive carbon fiber accents throughout the body. Sculpted side panels channel air like a supercar, while LED lighting signatures mirror Ferrari's latest hypercars. Massive forged wheels with yellow brake calipers, a sleek panoramic windshield. Step inside, and the Ferrari identity continues without compromise. The cabin is a perfect fusion of motorsport and ultra-luxury. Hand-stitched Italian leather covers everything from the captain's seats to the walls, finished with Alcantara headliners and carbon fiber trim. The driver cockpit feels like a grand touring supercar, complete with a flat-bottom steering wheel, digital racing-inspired gauges, and paddle-style controls. Under the hood is where things get truly insane. Power comes from a Ferrari-engineered hybrid V8 system, delivering supercar-level performance with surprising efficiency. Instant electric torque provides smooth acceleration, while the V8 roars when you want that unmistakable Ferrari sound. Advanced adaptive suspension keeps the ride stable and sporty, even at high speeds. And Ferrari's signature driving dynamics make this motorhome feel shockingly agile for its size. Now let's talk price, because exclusivity doesn't come cheap. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is expected to start around $2.5 million depending on customization. And yes, customization is endless. Buyers can personalize everything from interior stitching colors to exterior carbon fiber finishes. This is not mass-produced. It's built for collectors who want something truly one of one. Safety is just as advanced as performance. The motorhome is equipped with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, 360-degree cameras, collision avoidance systems, and advanced braking technology inspired by Ferrari's racing program. A reinforced carbon composite chassis ensures maximum protection while maintaining lightweight performance. So, what's the final verdict? The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome isn't just transportation. It's a lifestyle for those who refuse to compromise. It combines the soul of a Ferrari supercar with the comfort of a luxury penthouse on wheels. Bold, powerful, and unapologetically exclusive, this is the ultimate dream motorhome. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the world's most extreme vehicles. Drop a comment below and tell me, would you take this Ferrari motorhome on a road trip? Until next time, drive fast, travel in style, and I'll see you in the next one.